Okay, we have a Boyar Shultz here. It is a 612, and it's got a Sine mate chuck on there. You know, you can tilt it up, and it sits up fairly high. Thusly, they put on this riser block. There's like a 12-inch riser, and I'll get the dimensions on there and let you know. But there is a nice professional riser put on there, and it makes it unique. So there's not a lot else about it. Let's hear the spindle run, and then we'll take it. That'll be the end of the video. Okay, there you go, Boyar Shultz. You know, and the wheels go back and forth just like anything else. Okay, thank you for watching the video.